Hello friends, in my last two video I told you about the sufficient conditions. With the help of sufficient conditions we show that two triangles are congruent. We have done activity for that also. So which are the four sufficient conditions? The first one is SSS, second one is ASA, then SAS, and the fourth one is RHS. So now in coming videos and today's videos, one by one we will go through with all the conditions with some examples also. So my today's topic is SSS Congruence Condition. So everybody, are you ready to know about the first condition? Okay, so the first one is SSS. What is SSS? Side, side and side. Activity already we have seen here, and we will go for the examples from the exercise and try this. So what is SSS? SSS comes for side, side, side. So if three sides of a triangle are congruent to another three sides of a triangle, then this condition is known as SSS. Here you can see that this is 4.5, this is also 4.5. Now this is 5 centimeter. This another side is again, this is 5 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, this is also 4 centimeter. So we can say that in these two triangles the corresponding sides are equal in length. So here we can observe SSS congruence condition. Now we will see that with few examples we will see that how we will apply this SSS congruence rule. Now one more thing. Whenever we are solving questions from a congruence topic, our way of writing is always same. Okay. So what is the way of writing? Always we compare in two triangles, in triangle ABC and DE, whatever triangle's name is there. On left hand side here we will write down all the parts of triangle ABC, and on right hand side I have written DEF. So we will write down all the parts of triangle DEF. And if these two parts are equal, then in bracket we write down the reason. What is the reason these two are equal? And then we find out which congruence condition is there. And according to the first triangle name, this is in your hand. Anyway, you can write. Based upon this, we will write down the corresponding parts on the right hand side. This is the way to solve such type of questions. So let us start with the question number 1. Write the congruence criteria if these two triangles are given in the textbook and which sides are equal, that is also given. You need to find out which criteria. So with the figure only you can see that the corresponding sides are equal. It means corresponding three sides are equal. So definitely this will be SSS congruence condition. We are supposed to just write down this, but I am writing with the proper way so that you will come to know the way of writing. So now AC is equal to DF. What is the reason? Reason here it is given. Whatever, if it is given, so you will write down given. BC is equal to EF. This is also given. So reason, again we will write down given. AB is equal to DE. This is also given in the textbook. So again we will write down reason. So this is the way we have written the reason, and we have written all the three corresponding parts are equal. And now the one thing is left, we need to find out corresponding parts. For this, here you can see that in first two you can observe, okay, here you can observe point C in both the first and second one. Point C is common, and here point F is common. It means wherever C is there, right hand side we will write down F. In place of C, what will come? F. Now you can see in the next two, this next two, which point is common? Here you can see that B point is common, okay, and next two, which 2 points are common? Here E is common. So wherever B is there we will write down E. So in place of B I am writing E. Okay, now we have only one point left. Just find out which point is left. E already we have written, F already we have written, so D is left. So in place of A, which one will come? D. So triangle ABC is congruent to DEF. This is already given in the question. You just need to find out the congruence condition. But this is the way how we find out the congruent parts, corresponding parts. Now this is your next question. Next question, again these two triangles are given and already it is given SSS congruence condition. So congruence condition is also given. You just need to find out corresponding parts. Okay. For my first or second video, I told you whenever this congruence condition is given, from here we can find out the corresponding part. For example, here it is written AR. So AR means here again first two. AR will be equal to PE. Okay. What is the reason here? Again reason is given because this triangle is congruent. This is already given in the question. Next one is RT. You can see that RT. So this will be equal to EN. So RT is equal to EN. The reason is again given. These two triangles are congruent. The last one is AT. The first and the last AT. So here will be first and the last will be PN. So AT is equal to PN. Reason it is already given. So by SSS congruence condition, two triangles are congruent and already since this is given, so no need to search to write down in the answer. Directly you can write down triangle ART is congruent to triangle PEN. Now I am going to take question from try this. In the given figure, AC is equal to BD. This is given. So this AC and this BD, this is given. Say. What I have done, this one figure I have divided into figure, just this triangle and this triangle. So AC is equal to BD. So this is same. I have made the same sign. Next is given AD is equal to BC. So this AD is equal to BC. Again I have made the same sign. Show that these two triangles are congruent. So with the help of these two figures, try to find out which congruence condition is possible. Two sides are already given same and nothing is given about the angle. Can we find out the third corresponding part? So the third corresponding part will be AB. You can see here AB side is common in both the triangles. So with the help of these two figures, we can see that corresponding three sides are equal. It means which congruence condition we are going to observe here? SSS congruence condition. Okay. So now let us write down the corresponding part. AC is equal to BD. This is already given in the question. So reason will be given. Now BC. This BC is equal to AD. So write down BC is equal to AD. Again the reason is given. What is important? Below ABC you will write down all the parts of triangle ABC and below triangle BAD you will write down all the parts of triangle BAD. Now AB is equal to AB. What is the reason? Reason we will write down common side. This side is common in both the triangle. So reason will be common side and now these two triangles are congruent. How to find out corresponding parts here? Look at this first two. Which point is common here? C. Now which point is common here? D. What does it mean? Wherever C is there, we will write down D. Okay. Now come to the next two. Next two, which is the common point here? B. Now in these two, which is the common point? A. So wherever B is there, we will write down A. Okay. Now look at this triangle name. A we have written, D we have written. So which point is left? B. So the first place will be B. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD. Now next question is question number 4. What is given? AB is equal to AC. Okay. AB is equal to AC. Two sides is equal. It means the triangle will be isosceles triangle. So I have drawn here one isosceles triangle. And AB is equal to AC. I have marked here. D is the midpoint. What is the meaning of D is midpoint? This BD is equal to DC. This will be same. Okay. So now which is the third part, third condition you need to find out. So definitely here you can see that this AD is common side in both the triangles. So we can say that again 3 sides we are getting same. So therefore by which congruence condition? By SSS congruence condition, triangles will be congruent. So let us write down AB. AB is equal to this one AC. This is already given. So we will write down the reason given. Now BD. BD is equal to DC. Just now we have shown that. So BD is equal to DC. What is the reason? D is the midpoint. So write down the reason. D is the midpoint. Okay. And last one, AD is equal to AD. What is the reason? This is your common side. So by SSS congruent condition, 2 triangles are congruent. Now again look at this first 2. Which point is common? B. And here which is common? C. So in place of B, C will come. The middle point will be C. Now come to the next 2. Which point is common here? Point D is common. And here which point is common? D. So wherever D is there, we will write down D. Now look at this. C already we have written. D already we have written. Which point is left? A. So A will come in the first place. So this is the way we have shown that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. So thank you for watching today's video.